Are you understanding better than the previous classes now? Is it very easy to understand? Or you feel difficulty than ever? ரொம்ப ஈஸியா புரியுதா இல்ல ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா போய்கிட்டு இருக்கா கிளாஸ்?
ஈஸியா தான் சார் போகுது.
Okay. What about girl side? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, are you in the line, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, boys. Answer the question. Activity 5.11. That is 5.11. Page number what?
90.
90. Okay. Answer the question. How would the tendency to gain electron change as you go from left to right across a period? Left to right across a period. They are asking now. Already they have asked about the metallic property, that is tendency to lose electron. Now they are asking the tendency to gain the electron, how it changes from when we go across a period left to right. Boys must answer for this question. Tendency to gain electron. Boys, any one of you read out the paragraph? It is given under the activity 5.11. Shakti Vignesh? Read out.
As the trends in the
Electronegativity
show, non-metal are on the right-hand side of the periodic table towards the top. These trends also help us to predict the nature of oxides formed by the elements, because it is known to you that the oxides of metals are basic and that of non-metals are acidic in general.
Okay, that is not our concern. So leave it. Go above the activity 5.11, 5.11. A small paragraph is given.
Non-metal, on the other hand, are electronegative. They tend to form bonds by gaining electrons. Let us learn about the variation of this property.
Okay, non-metals on the other hand are electronegative. They tend to form bonds by gaining electrons. So non-metals, first point, it will gain the electron. That means it will accept the electron from the other atom. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose chlorine is there. What is the, how much electron it will gain? Chlorine, what is the atomic number?
One
It is a non-metal or not? Is it a non-metal?
17.
Are you accepting? Chlorine is a
Yes,
non-metal.
sir.
Yes, okay. Then what is the atomic number?
17.
17. Easy?
2,
Easy.
8, 7.
Okay, 2, 8, 7. In order to attain octet, how much electron it needs?
1.
1. Okay. That means it can accept how many electron?
1 electron.
1 electron. So it is a non-metal, it can gain or accept 1 electron. Am I right? So like that you think of you take a second period or the third period as example. Thereby you can illustrate whether the gaining of electron increases or decreases. Boys, you have to say the answer for this question. Take up third period. List the elements in a third period. Boys, list the elements in third period. Are you listening, boys?
Sodium.
Sodium, okay. Why not sodium? Lithium not. Okay, sodium. It is third period. Okay, then
Magnesium.
wait. Sodium, magnesium,
Aluminium.
aluminium,
Silicon.
silicon.
Phosphorus.
Sir, silicon will come or not?
Come, sir.
Okay. Silicon,
Phosphorus.
phosphorus, sulfur,
Sulfur. Chlorine.
chlorine,
And argon.
argon. Okay. Argon will gain the electron.
No, sir.
Okay. Then we can leave that. Say the EC for that electronic configuration for Na. 2, 8, 1.
1.
Okay. Mg 2, 8,
2.
2.
for Al.
2, 8, 3.
Okay. For Si.
2, 8, 4.
Okay. For phosphorus.
2, 8, 5.
5. For sulfur 2, 8, 6.
6.
For chlorine 2, 8, 7. Okay. How much electron it will gain?
Sodium will
Donate.
1 electron.
That's all. We cannot concern about this. This one. This is also a metal,
Magnesium will
so we cannot.
electron.
Then for aluminium, this is also a metal. It will donate. It cannot accept. For silicon, 2, 8, 4.
It is metalloid.
It is metalloid. We cannot care about this.
It will
Okay.
share electron.
Next, phosphorus. It can.
Phosphorus will gain 3 electrons.
Yes.
Accept 3.
Why? Because it, in order to get octet, it can add 3. That means gain 3. Here in sulfur, 2. 2.
Yes, sir.
Here in chlorine, 1. So what happens? The tendency to gain electron increases or decreases? Increases or decreases in along a period? Huh?
Decreases.
Increases or decreases? First 3, second 2, third 1.
Decrease 2.
Yes. So write down. Why we are not caring about sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon and argon? That reason you have to say. Sodium is a metal. It has the tendency to lose the electron. Magnesium also and aluminium also. So silicon is a metalloid. We cannot care about that. Why? Because the question asks about the non-metals. So only we have taken up phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Other things we left. Tendency to gain the electron we are talking about. So we went to the non-metal side and we are looking there. The phosphorus is accepting 3 and sulfur is accepting 2 and chlorine is accepting 1. So 3 to 1, it follows the decreasing order. From 3 to 1, it is decreasing order. So it decreases, you can directly write. Boys, you write down. First you write the question and then write answer. Activity 5.11. How would the tendency to gain the electron change as you go from left to right across a period? Are we followed left to right across a period? The condition? Are we followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Those who cannot understand this, raise your voice. You ask your doubts. Both boys and girls I am telling. யாருக்கு புரியலையோ உடனே கேட்டுருங்க. Write down. This is the thing you have to look in. This area. Shall we go to next?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This time, girls, how would the tendency to gain electron change as you go down a group? So obviously, the trends in modern periodic table, they will ask across a period, down the group. This is the typical question they will ask from this topic. கேள்வி கேட்டாங்கன்னா trends in modern periodic table, they will ask about valency, atomic size, metallic character and non-metallic character. In these three concepts, they will ask about across a period left to right and then from top to bottom down the group. This only the basic questions they can ask. It's a typical one. எப்போதுமே இந்த மாதிரி தான் கேட்குறது, down the group and across the period. So if you easily understand the concept, before that you have to memorize at least first, second, third, fourth, at least 4 period you have to memorize, and at least 2 or 3 groups you have to memorize. I am telling about the trends. Shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you say, girls, time is going up. Try to say the answer fast.
Tendency to gain electrons down a group increases.
Increases. How? Shall I take up first group?
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Take up 4 elements, that is enough. So 1, 3, 11, 19. What is the EC for this? Do this 2, 1,
For hydrogen,
2, 8, 1, 19, 2, 8, 8, 1.
yes, sir.
Yes. Now you say down the group. What happens? And this is actually they are asking gaining of electron down the group. And one more thing you can take up, from 13 period also you can take up, or 14, because we are looking here metals. We have to look non-metals also.
One hydrogen.
Non-metals, you take up any 2 or 3. Nitrogen and phosphorus you can take.
Mobile shop.
tendency to gain electrons down a group remains same.
Here,
Sir, you muted your audio, sir.
yes.
Please unmute it, sir.
Yes. Here I find actually advertisement is loudspeaker nuisance in my area, so I muted. Sorry. So, what you can write? The gaining of electrons down the group remains the same or increases. So this you cannot concentrate. Why? Because the first group belongs to metals, and we can talking about the non-metals, that is gaining of electron. Gaining of electron, usually the non-metals will do. So I went to the non-metal side, and I am saying the nitrogen family and also the halogens. It says that there nitrogen family 3 electrons, here 1 electron is needed. So down the group, what happens? Gaining of electron remains
Remains same.
the same. That's all. Okay. Write the answer and then show. Boys, you can show the answers either via video or by using the present screen option. Now the time is 8:52. Okay, let me say Siddharth, Sridharan, sorry, Divagaran. You present your screen or you show the video what you have written on the note. Siddharth and Divagaran, boys, girls, Vaishnavi and then Mitra. Show your note. Who is going to show first? Siddharth, are you listening my voice? Siddharth, Divagaran, say yes or no. Raise your voice, please. Okay, girls, Vaishnavi, are you ready, ma? Okay, Siddharth, you start. I'm getting your voice. Siddharth, start, please. On your video and show the note. That's enough for me. Divagaran left. Either he is taking photograph or he left. I don't know. Okay, Vaishnavi, you start, ma, please. Time is going up. Mitra, you make it yourself ready. Just on your video and show your note. That's enough. No need to take photograph and take risk.
Sir, Subiksha, sir. I'm presenting, sir.
Okay, do it, ma. Subiksha. Am I right? Subiksha is going to show. Yes. All the ones see the screen of her. Excellent. Super, ma. Super. What about Vaishnavi and other students? Others
Sir,
also can
Telugu only,
present.
sir.
No problem, you do it please.
Sir, Tilakavati, sir.
Telugu, okay. We are ready. Okay. Okay, ma. Okay, excellent, super, super. What about others? Who is going to present? Shakti Velana. Okay, Shakti. Shakti, are you showing? Oh, here it is. Okay, super. Page number 5.11. Very good, very good, very good. Super Shakti. Shakti Velan. What about others? Next. Boy side only one, girl side two. The number is increasing in girl side. Vaishnavi, Mitra, Siddharth, Lakshita. Yes, yes, yes. Do please. Sharing. I cannot get. Oh, yes. Now only start. It's looking somewhat blurred, ma. So I cannot see that. But something you have written that I can understand. I think in a rush you did that. So I cannot read that. It's very kalangalar. Yes. Oh, showing video. Okay, neat presentation, ma. Neat presentation. Good. Good, good. Super. Next, when I point out someone, they have to share the screen. But I'm expecting from Vaishnavi, Mitra, Divagaran, and from Siddharth. If it is possible, show it. Others, Jiva, Satish, where they went? Charigesh, Shakti Vignesh. What happened to them? Satish, I think you are in the line. Show your answers. Satish? Who is next? Vaishnavi, she is in the line. Siddharth also in the line. Satish also in the line. Sargesh also in the line. Shakti Vignesh. Why they are not showing? Show please. All are my students. Okay. Do the activity 5.4 and 5.5. Note down the activity 5.4 and 5.5. That is a home assignment for you. Page number 87. Note down. From the chapter 5, periodic classification of elements. Okay, thanks to all of you. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Charges, Lakshita, Sakti, Vignesh, Vaishnavi. Okay, you yourself leave from the line. I think you are all busy. Okay, ma, thank you.